Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up DOB on Line app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Line app, go to your profile, and here go to gear icon, and next tap on birthday. So here select your year, and once you're done, select your month, date, and then tap on done button. Now go back. So you have successfully set your DOB, date of birth. So this is how you can set date of birth on Line app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.